Well, thank you, Chair and Brian. I'm I'm a little overwhelmed, if I may. Actually, to be fair, everyone's been so ridiculously pleasant about my track record. I've been very fortunate in my career in sport, and particularly not just in rugby union, but predominantly. I've worked in numerous places over the world. I've worked in some real high quality places, and have been fortunate enough to have a bit of success both on and off the field. But I honestly can't remember being quite as excited as I am to take up this role. I'd never been to Fiji until I came to visit for a few days a couple of months back, and I just felt that this was something that I couldn't really turn down. I've been a terrific advocate, I hope, and friend to rugby in the Pacific Islands. I think that this Drua project is a wonderful opportunity to put something in place that has a legacy that's stable and that will have longevity. I am under no illusions at all how important the sport is to the people of Fiji. It's the national sport. It means a great deal to the inhabitants of the islands. And I just hope that I will be able to be up to taking on such a significant responsibility. I'm very excited to get started. I just hope it'll be as enjoyable a journey as I'm hoping and expecting that it will. And I'm sure over time we'll get to know each other quite well. I think if you ask around, I've probably got something of a probably deserved reputation of liking a chat. So I tend to try and be as open and as available as I can to the media. But, once it gets past 11 o'clock at night, maybe you could leave it till the morning. But otherwise, I'm sure we're going to have a really, really interesting and successful and, if I may say, hopefully groundbreaking adventure, because I got so sick of being told over decades that it couldn't be done, that an on-island team wouldn't work. And I never believed it. I don't believe it now. And I think we're going to make an awful lot of people sit up and take notice.